Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I know we've been gone for a little bit, taking a little vacation break here and there, but no problem, we're back at it. For today, we want to actually go to Copart, see if we can find some new builds, see what's playing. Honestly, you never know what you're gonna pick up. But before we get into that, let's talk about today's video sponsor. How many times has this happened to you? You want to go to work, you want to get up and go, but your car battery is just dead. Turn the key and nothing happens. But luckily with Fantic TA Apex Jump Starter, it's no longer a problem. This sleek, cool design honestly could start about any car, even gas or diesel. It comes in an awesome carrying case with everything you need to charge your jump box, with cables themselves, compact, durable. Honestly looks pretty cool. This Fantic TA Apex has a peak current of 2,000 amps. It takes about an hour and a half to get a full charge. It has a built-in safety feature that it's not gonna spark if you get the cables mixed up or they touch accidentally. Most jump boxes need some power from the battery to start, but this one, it has a boost mode, so if you just hold the power and the light button for about 3 seconds, it'll automatically turn on and you'll be ready to go. Having dead batteries for us is a normal thing. Honestly, we deal with a daily basis because we buy the cars from Copart. It's actually rare to have a car that the battery is good. So for us, having a nice, dependable jump box that just starts right up, no questions asked, is honestly a great thing to have. This thing is very well built, solid, and feels great in your hands. You could also use it to charge your tablets, laptops, whatever else you need, your phone, and use it as an external battery pack. I love the clear LED display that's telling you the battery power, how much life it has exactly. And honestly, I've been using this thing for a couple weeks now, and I was down to about 13%, and it still started the car, no problem, no hesitation, and cranked right over. Fantic is holding its annual Fantic Starting Day, which will be offering the biggest discount ever. You can get 50% off your Fantic T8 Apex Jump Starter today. This is one of the best portable jump starters out there today. So you could save 50% off your Fantic Jump Starter by clicking the link below. Also, it's doing a huge giveaway with a DJI drone, GoPro, iPhone 13, and free Fantic products. So make sure you check out their website. We'll leave the link down below and get yourself a great jump box, or even get it as a gift for somebody else, because who doesn't want a nice, awesome portable jump box to have in their car? So let's go ahead and go out there to the Copart yard. We'll actually grab our jump box with us. I don't know if they're gonna let us bring it with us. Some Coparts allow, some Coparts don't. It just depends on the yard, but we'll have it with us just in case, because we know the cars are gonna be dead there and it'd be great to jump them off. All right, so before we check out the cars that we're gonna look at, let's go ahead and do a little follow back and see how much the cars played for the last time that I checked out. So we have that 2015 Jaguar that I checked out. It was pretty sweet. Let's check out the price, how much it went for. And 9 grand, not bad honestly. These things go for a pretty good bit, but parts are hard to get, but it's pretty sweet. 5.0, this thing's definitely got some power, but it's a little bit bigger of a project that I want to do right now since I have other stuff I'm taking care of, so that's pretty cool, not bad at all. I checked out this Silverado as well. It's actually playing again today, so it didn't sell last time. We'll have to wait for that one. This is that Maserati I checked out that honestly the damage wasn't bad at all, but it didn't drive for me. You guys were saying in the comments that the hood might have had to be closed, like a safety feature, because I could not get it to go, but let's see how much the final price was. Wow, 5 grand. That's pretty crazy for a 2015 Maserati. For 2015 with that low miles on it, I mean airbags weren't deployed on or anything like that. I think that's a pretty good deal. Somebody got lucky with it. Hopefully they can figure out and make it run and drive, because like I said, couldn't get it to move, but yeah, that's not bad at all. So always before we go out to the yard, let's do some research and check out what's playing. And we can also look at what played before. So this is the 2021 Ecoline E450. I mean, this thing is definitely a Super Duty. So it's got that Godzilla engine in it, a 7.3 V8, which would be nice to put into our Mustang, but let's check some history on it. It actually played before a couple times. So the insurance company was selling it and they sold for $6,600, which isn't bad at all, I would say. But now they're just trying to flip it, and someone for $8.5, $8.3, $10,000 and not sold. So that's kind of interesting, but we're probably gonna pass. So this looks pretty cool, a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. I like the color on it. That might be a wrap or something, but let's check it out. It's saying the main primary damage is undercarriage, so to see how bad it is underneath. So one of the first things you look at is the salvage title code, and if it says title pending, we obviously move on, because that could mean months without a title. But this thing is really cool. I definitely want to check it out, see underneath, see if it starts. It says run and drive. Kind of hard to believe that it's running and driving with that tire being like that, but all it has to do is go a couple feet, right? And that makes it run and drive. So yeah, let's check it out. No airbags deployed on it, so that's nice. Overall looks pretty good. Let's just hear what it sounds like. If the engine's good, if it just needs suspension work, and if underneath isn't too bad, it might be a good deal. Let's see how much it goes for. We have this 2020 Chevy Silverado 3500. This thing is definitely a beast. I mean, dually, wow. Bed damage, rear axle damage. But overall, not too bad. Airbags did not deploy on it. Engine looks good. I mean, it's a run and drive, surprisingly. So yeah, I think it'd be kind of cool to check it out. It's a pure sale, so that's nice. Title's there, salvage, low miles. It's definitely worth a lot, and I know it's gonna go for a lot, but yeah, let's check it out. Being a pure sale is actually really cool, so no matter how much it goes for, they'll let it go. It's not on reserve or something like that. Feels like I've seen this 2017 Ford Raptor before. I mean, the damage doesn't look too bad. Knee assembly, front end. Overall looks pretty good, pretty clean. I wonder how it looks like in real life. So the airbags did deploy on it, seat curtain airbag, all that fun stuff. 116,000 miles. It's kind of high, not too bad. Let's see if it's played before. Yep, it's already played. Wow, 33 and a half, and it did not sell. That's crazy. But State Farm Insurance did not let it go for $33,500. That's pretty crazy, because if it's only worth 44 clean title, everything working perfectly, tops. Wow, kind of interesting. But let's check it out. So we got our list, we know where we're gonna look at. Let's go ahead and go to the yard and check them out. All right guys, another beautiful day out here at the Copart yard. Unfortunately, they will not let me bring my own personal jump box to the yard, safety reasons, so that's fine. Let's just go out there and try to find our first car. All right, there we go, found the 2017 Raptor. First off, I really like the mirrored out Ford emblem on there. It's pretty cool, probably like just stickers you stick on there, but pretty sweet. It looks nice. I mean, it stands out, not too much, but yet, you know, you can really notice the Ford emblem. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's looking good. First it says run and drive. Hard to believe, but you know, that's fine. It's got the Fox struts on there and everything, suspension, so this thing should be a real Raptor. Nice big old fenders on there. Not bad miles for the year, I guess. Ford Performance. Smells new in here, that's nice. Raptor seats are in good condition. Big old screen on there. I'm surprised, no sunroof or anything like that. Wow, interesting. But it does have a remote start, so that's always good. No power. Jump box would have been nice right here because it says run and drive. But yeah, they usually do die. I like all the auxiliary switches they have in there. It's pretty cool. Just go ahead and pop the hood, make sure the engine's okay. Because suspension work, you know, we'll figure that out. Obviously we noticed the airbags deployed, seat curtain, that's nothing, not a big deal. Obviously fixable. Overall, it looks good inside. Engine's a little dusty, but overall looking good. Oh yeah, Ecoboost, Ford Performance. It's got an aftermarket intake. Looks nice. So the engine seems okay, radiator's not busted or anything like that. We have fluid in there. Got a couple extra wires hooked up with all those auxiliary switches, so that makes sense. Not too bad. Check out this damage. So the framer looks okay. Turbos in the back look fine. So just the knee assembly, honestly, just get a new spindle. I mean, just completely all together. Just replace all of that stuff. Who knows? Upper control arm is probably bent, shock. So tie rod end is definitely all warped up. Nothing we haven't done before. Not bad. Door gaps look okay, so it doesn't look like it pushed back anything. Rear tire's messed up. Let's see what's going on there. So hopefully just the rim got messed up, but hard to say. Definitely have to get under there. Does have a spare tire, so that's good, and the rear axle looks like it's fine. overall, this Raptor is still definitely savable. I don't see why somebody would scrap it or just take it apart for parts. Man, it won't take too much to get this back on the road, so I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on it, see how much it goes for, because I know F-150s already go for a lot, and the Raptors are just, you know, that much more. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, and if it goes cheap enough, let's pick it up and let's save it. Let's put it back on the road. It'll be a new daily truck. Because Ivan's got his Duramax, I'm looking for myself a truck. I'd love to get a little Raptor for sure. Oh yeah, I'll drive this around. Let's go ahead and check out our next vehicle. There's honestly so many cars playing. Like I said, close to 300 just next week. But there's probably thousands of cars here. More Raptors, F-150s, Rams, all sorts of cars, new, old, doesn't matter. If they get hit, this is where they come. There's another Maserati. Man, this window's been busted and it's getting so dirty inside. That sucks, it's all electronical. Yeah. I can't believe that other 2015 went for only $5,000. That's crazy. I mean, they look like new, cool sports cars. Definitely, you know, catches your eye on the road. They're sleek design, and honestly, they're very affordable. So I have to keep my eye on it for a future one. And there's our TRX that keeps playing over and over that they want like $30,000 for, which I don't understand. This thing is destroyed, but hey, whatever. You can play as many times as you want. Copart charges about $80 for 3 runs, so you just let it run, and see if you can sell it, make some money. Let's keep going, see if we can find that Jeep. Sometimes they have the cars here, sometimes they actually have to bring them from out back into the sale yard. So there's my Jeep, bright green. Let's go ahead and check it out. So here's the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Looks like it's not wrapped. That's the original color, the green. You can see where it's been chipped off a little bit and just goes straight to the rest. So that's definitely the paint color. And I think it's original because unless somebody did a great job repainting it, all the door jambs all around, that's that green color. It's pretty crazy. It says no keys, but if you look inside, no keys. There's definitely keys hanging right there. So let's see what happens. I see some power in the dash. That's good. Man, just not enough juice to spin it over. It'd be really nice to have that Panic jump box right now for sure. Put it on there, that way I could listen to it, the engine. If the engine's good, that would definitely be a game changer from buying it or not. If the engine's running good, man, why not? Unfortunately, they won't let you bring your own jump box to test it out. Engine coolant looks kind of low, so it might have busted the radiator. It could just be water. Hard to say, but overall the frame rail looks good, radiator support looks good. This rebar honestly saved it for sure, the bull bar on it. So the frame rail itself looks fine. Push back the whole solid axle in the front, so that has to be replaced. Fender obviously, but it's not a big deal at all. I definitely like the daily one of these Jeeps for sure. See how much it goes for. It's nice the airbags didn't blow, so that definitely saves time and money. Yeah, interior looks pretty clean. No tears, no major, you know, rips or anything like that. So yeah, it just depends how much it goes for, but man, pretty sweet. These Jeeps definitely keep their value. Everybody wants one. Got a big old hitch on there. That's cool. Cool. So I'll definitely keep my eye on the Jeep. We'll see how much it goes for. Like I said, if it plays too much, if somebody else wants it. If you guys are watching this video and start bidding me up, that's fine. No big deal, I understand. If you want it more than I do, you could have it. I definitely feel more confident, like I said, if I was able to start it and hear the engine, but it's a risk, it really is. It's a gamble sometimes with Copart. Let's just walk around, see if we can find the other truck. I actually asked them, they said it's in the heavy yard, so I don't know if I could get over to the heavy yard. Let's see what else is out here. So down here in the south, we love looking at trucks because trucks sell. Everybody loves themselves a truck. Nice little F-150 white. Let's check this one out. Seems like a basic F-150 XL, nothing too special. It's got the regular third row seat in the middle. Wow, a lot of miles on it. Look at this damage. Dang, that bed is just cracked. Just coming apart. That's pretty bad. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna move on. That's fine. You know, obviously you don't have to buy it if you don't like it, so it could be somebody else's problem. No thanks. There's that crazy Porsche again. I think we've checked this one out already before. Still hasn't sold. Man, I love the color on it though. It's like that primer color or something. They definitely did a great job. Find that right mix for it. Looks sweet. Dang, what happened to that car? That looks really bad. When you can't even tell what kind of car it is, you know that damage is bad. I guess it's a Chevy. By the rims. Man. An Equinox. Seen better days. So I've been walking around for a while now. Nothing too crazy that I'm interested in. Memorial Weekend is coming up, so that's good and bad. Sometimes you have less people playing. Sometimes there's less cars playing too, surprisingly. So I definitely just keep an eye out for the Wednesday sale. See how much they go for it. All right, guys, so that is a wrap for this Copart walk around. Thanks so much for watching and staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe. We're definitely gonna pick something up sooner or later. And we have some projects in the back that we still need to start on, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But thanks so much. We'll catch you next time.